Hello, welcome once again. This is Zach from Zach Animate Studios, your channel number one for graphic design, coding, and animation. So, guys, we are embarking on our series. So, guys, today I thought I could share this. It is an amazing tool. We are going to look at ChatGPT with Laravel. So, guys, imagine maybe you don't know how to code and you want to create a simple blog application. So, what you need is just going to type to ChatGPT, just to go to ChatGPT and type, ask it as a ask it as a question. Just ask, I want a blog system using Laravel. But that is so vague. So we are going to add more functions. So let's say we are just going to tell it to have you're going to tell it to have a controller for post, post, for post. We have the model and migration. And then because it's a blog system, we also want to have and also comment comment. So basically those are three, more than four requests that you're going to ask using, and then just to make it so comment control comment model. Yeah, it's a comment model. So basically that is a comment model. So basically I'm just post model comment model and a migration. So basically it's going to create for us all that. So let's give it a second and wait. So basically either I might have a vague question, but it's definitely it's going to think about it and it's going to tell us, sure, I can help you get started with creating a blog system using Laravel. Here are the outlines. Step one, a new Laravel project, post controller, comment model. So to set up the relationship between post controller and all that. So basically we are just going to use that to set up how it's going. So basically it's going to give us, assuming that you're having a Laravel application and application. So basically you're just going to do all this stuff that is requesting us to do. Then you're going to Laravel new, that is creating the blog at the first time, that is the new project, and then it's going to create for us the post model, that is we're going to run that make new model, that is going, and then also basically this is what we're going just to do the next few seconds. So we are going to get our hand dirty on creating application using Laravel, and don't switch that, don't turn that dial. And that basically, remember, that is now we are going to, that is creating for us the post that is the post, what you call it, that is the post migration. So basically that is what we had requested it. So basically it is telling us, and it's telling us, well, those are the functions that is going to have. Then you're going to migrate it, and then sure, we get now the comment model. So basically all this, this is what we truly want to do with Laravel. And basically I have no idea, and I'm so glad that I'm doing this for the first 30 seconds. Like in the next 30 minutes or less than 30 minutes, I'm going to create a simple application using Laravel. So basically that is it. That is what is telling us, and I believe it is still, yeah, basically that is all that is required. So, and if you are a developer at the same time, if you have your method, the way you are writing your code, basically you're just going to get the things that you are required, and then it's going to help you do this. So basically it's telling you that comment has a relationship with the post, and then you do that migration. The second time you do you do now the post and the comment. So basically we are stage 4. So let's just wait for a few seconds so that it completes writing for us all these the commandments that we should put, and then we're just going to start right away creating our application using Laravel. So basically I think but basically we are going to do all those steps before. So first thing first, we are going to have our project. So basically I have a project already written here. So basically we are just going to go to the second step. We are going to create a model post. So basically, so you can use, so with the skills that I have, we can incorporate what we call Laravel Breeze. Let's just install Laravel Breeze. I have been doing a lot of coding, so basically those the codes are already in my on my. So basically we're going to install first Laravel Breeze. This was not part of the questions that we had asked, but right now we are going to add Laravel Breeze to our project because I already installed it. And then next we are going now to activate that Breeze. So basically we are going to have the logins and the login, the logout, the users onto the application. So basically with that we have already installed that is the Laravel Breeze. So basically if you are looking to set up to set up the logins and the logout, basically you're using Laravel Breeze. So after you have installed the Laravel Breeze, what you're going to do, you're just going to activate that Laravel Breeze. Today I'm sorry, I'm talking like activation. Okay, just understand that is so basically I'm getting the code for so basically PHP artisan install Breeze. So basically that is what we are installing, Breeze, and then we're just going to use the blade. We are going to select 0. But this one is do you want to use the dark theme, guys? Do you want to use the dark theme? Let me just pose that question to you. We are going to use the dark theme, and then you're going just to say yes. So do you prefer PHP unit? I've not started working on PHP unit, but pretty soon I'll be using it. Right now I say no, and then with that it's going to install for us the JavaScript, and then it is going to compile for us our application. So in the next few seconds, because you can see how fast Laravel is being installed, and then we are just going to embark on the journey whereby we are going to install. Now we are going to create the blog post, the blog, now the blog post, the post controller, the post migration, all that. So user has already been installed. So you go back to your ChatGPT. I'm sorry, I had some technicalities with my network, but we have almost like everything that was so basically we are going to have this as migration. So basically we have the post model, so basically we can, as it installs. Okay, sorry for that, sorry for that, sorry for that, sorry for that, sorry for that. We are here. So basically as it continue to install the dependencies, I hope the internet is stable. I can just open a new terminal and then we'll come back to check. So we are going to create the post model and the post model and the post model and then the migration. Okay, so this is what we having right now, the post model and then the migration. This is where the migration folder is. So just to understand where migration comes in, migration, this is when you write the functionalities. Okay, basically you are creating tables inside the databases. So with that, you do that and then you come back here and then you just use this information that you have been given with ChatGPT. This is for creating that table. So you're just going to replace that with the create post here. That is it. that is the post. Okay, that is for post. And then we are going to create now a comment control. I also think we have the comment, so we are going to create also migration and model for comment. So we just use that, and then you paste that, and then it's going to create for you the comment at the same time with the comment. So basically those are the two features that and then now this is what the code that you're going to add onto the comment section. Basically it means that when somebody writes a comment, that comment will be referenced to that as per that comment to that person. This is, so basically I'm talking like this because I'm not explaining it right now, but in the next video we are going to explain it in details. But right now, just get to know you can use ChatGPT to create your own application. Next, we are going to do the migration. So basically, this is where we call the migration comes. This is the where we call the relationships comes in. Let me just try and see if I can repopulate this question again. So basically that is the relationship. It means that we are going to have okay, now on the post controller it says that this comment belongs to. So basically that is what it is being done here on the comment. You're going to add this relationship here. This has many comment, and on the comment we are going to have belongs to. Control C. Now on the comment here, this is the comment. Okay, this is okay, no, this one goes to post. Okay, this one goes to post, and then has many comment, and then on comment this one belongs to hey. Basically that's how. Okay, now this one is going to be post. This one is going to be post, and then this one belongs to. Oh, belongs to, and then here you change to now post. Okay, post. So that is it. You have already created that relationship, and then it's going just to work as fine. Remember initially we were installing Laravel Breeze. So basically when we do php artisan serve, we should be able to see that our application is running. So guys, let's go to that URL as quick as fast, and then we see how. So basically we have installed a dark theme, Windows. Okay, not Windows, I'm sorry. This is Laravel 10. Guys, you have. So basically what we are installing, we're installing the login system and then the registration system. So basically with that you can register, you can create an account. So basically what we're going to do, that is just going to create an account. You can register like that, use your name, password, then you just add your password there. Okay, and then you register. So basically it's going to tell us basically it has created that. So basically it has created that link to the database, and we are already inside. So basically we want to have a navigation here of post. A user that is Zach Orengo can create post on this application. That is what we are talking about. So what you're going to do right away is we are going to the navigation. Basically we are going to a folder called views. First we need to have navigations. Okay, what we call navigations, we're going to create on this web, we're going to create a route. a route for navigation. So first, that person has to be authenticated. So basically, we're just going to have a navigation. We're going to copy one of this controller here, this route. This is a route. It is going to direct the user where on which page to go. So he has to be authenticated. So we are going to say posts, articles. Let me use articles, articles, and then it is not going to be a profile controller. It is going to be a post controller. Okay, post controller, post controller. I hope there is a post controller. Have we created a post controller? Let's just take a look and see. On our HTTP folder, controllers, we have profile. So we need to create a post controller. So, okay, let me just continue writing it, and then we are going to post controller, post controller. Okay, so that is a post controller. So we just have to create that, or article controller, because we are using article. You can just say post controller. Okay, that is what, and then we are going to call it at index, and then you're going to give it at name at articles. Okay, so basically that is it. So what we are missing is the post controller. What I'm really trying to explain is when you go to this link, articles, okay, that is what I mean. When you go to that articles, you need to get that controller. You are going to get that we don't have the target post controller, so we are going to create that post controller right away. Okay, so php artisan make controller post controller, php artisan make controller, make controller post controller. Okay, ensure you have the right controller. So just like that, and then you have the post controller. Go to that post controller, make an index view. So what you're going to do is just it's called public function, public function. Okay, uh, function index. Okay, just like that, and then you're going to call a view. So basically a function, and then we have the function, and then now the view. The function will hold a view. So return a view, just like that. So basically that is what we are expecting, and then we need just to know this file, where this file is going to reside. What are we expecting? We are just going to go to posts, because we call it articles. We can call it still post, post. You can call it post or articles, articles dot index. Okay, so with that, you just do that dot index, article dot index, and then basically your file will be residing at that point. Okay, so because we are using, remember we are using Laravel. Laravel uses Blade, and Blade it also uses a system called so basically we have that post controller. The target class does not exist. We have just now to take a look and see what is happening. Control P. Let's get back to the web, and then let's now just call the right post controller. Post controller, post controller, that one. Okay, then save. and then let's try again. Articles. Okay, so it has loaded the articles, but now we don't have the view. Okay, basically it is not updated to. So what we are going to do is we are just going to go to layout, and then get to, not layout, go to dashboard, and then copy this layout, control C, and then on your articles, okay, this one, just paste it there. I'm sorry, yeah, and then on this point just call this one articles. Okay. I'm hoping I'm not going too fast. If I'm going too fast, just catch up later. So basically, you see, we have loaded the articles. So for first and foremost, we are going to go back to ChatGPT. Remember, it told us that you can now add a view. Okay, basically now we need to create a view for it. And the way you're going to do it is you're going to create a table. So basically, if we are going to use a CRUD functions. Remember, CRUD functions is the create, read, update, delete. So we are going to add a table here. We're going to add a table of posts. Okay, remember we have the table for posts. So basically we already have our articles, and but that article, it's not on the navigation. So I just want now to ensure that the article root is also here on the navigation. So what we are going to do, let's go to on navigation. On layouts, there's a folder called navigation, and then what you're going to do is you're going to add the link for navigation to read. So you're going to look, there is a called navigation links. What you're going to do, you're just going to copy that, Control C, Control V, and then what you're going to change the root is you're going to change the root to articles, and then the navigation root is articles. Okay, articles. So after that, articles, okay, with S. Let's just add S to it. That is okay. It has double S, which is bad. Okay, now single S. Now let's go back to our, okay, we have not changed something. We need to change the name. It is not now the dashboard, but articles. Okay, articles. Remember, the articles, in this case, articles are the same as posts, because in my mind I called them articles. Okay, so when you go back to we refresh our browser, you will see a link here called articles, which takes us to post. So at this point we can add post to it. So guys, in this short video, or in the next video guys, we are going now to create the post, and we are going also to create the comments. So guys, consider subscribing, hit that like button, and also if you are interested to sponsor us, please, we also welcome you guys to our channel, and let us build this channel. Let people learn from us, and they can make informed decisions and be creative men in the society. Zach Anime Studios, your channel #1 for graphic design, coding, and animation. Cheers. Let's meet on the next video.